Hello friends! Welcome to Blueprint Studio. In this video, we're presenting our latest project developed on a plot measuring 25 by 50 feet. The client has requested a modern and contemporary exterior design that will truly stand out in their local neighborhood. And we deliver exactly that. Let's explore its unique features together. Upon entering through the main gate, you'll find an expansive car parking area where beautiful car can be elegantly stationed. Adjacent to the main door, there's a charming landscaping area that enhances the overall aesthetic. Upon stepping through the main door, you'll find yourself in the welcoming drawing area, an ideal space for hosting guests and creating cherished moments with friends and family. And if you're looking to design a house, reach out to us at blueprintstudioindia@gmail.com. There is a conveniently located common toilet that is outfitted with modern amenities, providing both practicality and comfort for those utilizing the space. There is a dining area conveniently situated at the center of the space, providing an ideal setting for enjoying meals in the delightful company of friends and family. This central location enhances accessibility and fosters a welcoming environment for shared meals and good times. Following that, we reach the kitchen area located at the rear end of the house, with an open space behind it designated for utility purposes. Continuing, you'll find a master bedroom situated on the ground floor of the residence. This particular bedroom comes equipped with its own attached toilet, providing added convenience and privacy for those utilizing the space. Certainly, on the first floor of the residence, there are two master bedrooms, each designed for comfort and privacy. Additionally, there is a dedicated kids' bedroom tailored to meet the needs of the younger members of the household. To complete the floor layout, there's a small family lounge area, providing a cozy space for relaxation and quality time together. If you like this house design, please comment below. We'd be happy to share the full design with you upon your request. And if you're looking to design a house, reach out to us at blueprintstudioindia@gmail.com. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on house designs. Thank you.